Police say this is the man who tried to make his getaway after a robbery at the Apple Store in the Willow Grove Mall on April 13th. He tumbles to the ground, breaking his pelvis and tailbone. He tries to limp away, but the pain is too much, and he lays sprawled on the mall floor. The video has gone viral on the internet and is part of the police investigation. We showed some people the painful fall, and the reaction has been what you would expect.
Was he high or something? I don't know. Just jumping.
Wow.
Things that people do, man.
Broke his pelvis and broke his tailbone.
That's crazy. And he still got up and kept on running?
Abington police say the suspect, Abdi Wasuj, acted like a customer at the Apple Store and said he wanted to purchase 2 MacBook Pro laptops, an iPhone 14, and some accessories. Instead of buying the items, police say he snatched them and tried to run out of the store, but a good Samaritan engaged Wasuj. A struggle ensued, and police say Wasuj threatened the good